Hello everybody, Steve Bentley here, CEO of Sofema Online. Welcome to our rebranded YouTube channel, Sofema Online Aviation Community. It's our pleasure to welcome you. Who are we? Well, we provide online regulatory training. We've had more than 100,000 enrolments, and we hope we can count on you. If you haven't already become a member, please do visit us and see what we have to offer. Over 300 individual courses, packages and diplomas. Please like this video, hit notifications, and we will keep you informed. We offer a range of different ways that you can engage, whether it's as an individual through our Freedom Pass, whether it's a corporate customer. We have a corporate Freedom Pass so that you can enroll multiple delegates. Please do visit us and look forward to hearing from you in the future.